It starts right up, but sometimes because of the oil and the fouled up plugs from doing the oil changes, like right now, it'll start right up, but they got some fouled plugs in there. It's got a bad alternator. I don't know, let's do it again. Maybe it'll blow up next time I race it like that. I need 2 front tires. That one's completely bought. Ooh, we got a little notch right there in that one. It's got 774 horsepower, dude. No doubt. You got 2 new ones. These back ones is nothing wrong with them. That one just looks a little low. I got warranties on all my fucking tires, boy. I popped the trunk too. 1 button. Don't even have to touch the car. Watch this shit. See that shit? Shaved door handles. Yeah. Oh, there's a light in the back. Where the fuck were you at? Huh? Where were you, boy? Huh? Well, I fucking was over here messing with my ratchet straps and my DoorDash ready set with my fucking 1 bottle of water and my hat and a bucket lid. I don't know. Oh man, stick it right across there, dude. It's got a leak underneath this here. Underneath this seam for the windshield, it's got a leak on it. That's $500 for the windshield replacement. Well, the windshield seams. So this plastic, that stuff right there has got a leak where it gets in back behind there. It's not from the door, it's from right here. It gets in there and it's leaking down there and it shorted out the fuse. And then this right here, it doesn't matter, I'm gonna have to pop this off, take the hood off, pull both lights out, put new headlights in, and melt this plastic to where it's straight, fiberglass this back from the inside, get it seamless, and fix that. And definitely need to, oh shit, oh god damn it, I cut my finger off, oh shit, ah!